Okay, here we go. 7:20 now, and the sun has set. It's going to be getting dark here in a few minutes. I'll don this helmet, put this helmet back on. Let's get back to the van. All right. I just videoed a little trail back there to the Frisbee Golf. I think it was hole number 3 or 4. Anyway, I'll post that later. Whew. It's kind of hot and humid here in Alabama on this August evening. Feel nice. One thing I like about this e-bike though, I'll create my own wind. Get this baby up to about 15 miles per hour. All right, let's get back to the van, team, before it gets real dark. Captain Jeff, see you there. Might help if I turn it on, right? There we go. All right, we're in second gear, team. Let's do it. Ooh. Oh, that feels great. Here at 7:20 Central Daylight Time, August 21st, 2023. Whew. That was a nice water break. Yeah. Be on your left, young lady. All right, have a good one. You too. Hey, you know what my wife said about gray hair, silver hair? I turned gray when I was about 30, 32. She said when there's snow on the rooftop, there's a fire in the furnace, young man. I guess. I don't know. It didn't apply to me. Later. Whew. Here we go. Back at it. And we're doing 18 now. Whoa. Back off about 16. All right, there's the girl with the doodles, the poodle mix. All right. You too, young lady. Here we go. We're going to stay left of the traffic up here. Dark here in about 10 or 15 minutes. I give it, maybe 15 minutes. Pretty dark. I'm gonna try to make it back to the van before it gets pitch dark, really dark, really black. I do have a headlamp though, just in case. Be prepared. Throttle now. Going under the bridge. You know, I've been doing this particular trail for at least 10 years, team. I bet I can do it with my eyes closed. I'm not going to try that though. I'm trying to make it back. I'm not having to pedal that much either. This e-bike, I knew I could go quite a long ways if I brought the e-bike. It's the first time I've had the e-bike here. I usually bring the mountain bike. I get down by the river. I'm sorry, creek. Here they would say creek. Creek in the south. I think that's just a different form of the word creek. Right, later. this ride. As soon as I load the bike up, we're gonna go to the gym, team, for our daily workout. I think people, you know, when I tell them that, they think I'm just making that up, or that I won't last more than a month or two. It's usually guys that say that. Real quick, I'm gonna stop. Let's take a quick look at this, at the creek. Oh, how clear. Yeah, we don't want to pass this up. Turn the camera angle down just a smidgen. Here it is on my left at 7:25, Monday, 21 August. Now, I'm just holding the bike up here. Now, look how clear it is right down there. Oh yeah, and it's low too. Hasn't rained in about a week. I bet it's about to though here in a few days, don't you? That's the way it usually is, cyclical. All right, here we go. Back on the e-bike. We'll crank it up to about 15 miles per hour. All right, let me turn the camera angle around so you can see me riding. Whew. Try to do a little hands-free as well. Not even having to pedal. Hands-free. And be careful with the e-bike though. Just start itself. We don't want to crash, do we, team? Don't want to crash. Look, Mom. Mom, no hands. Ain't getting near the end of the run. I probably got a couple hundred more yards. I had a bike back there. There's a bike sitting on the side of the road, side of the trail. I'm gonna pause it for now, team.